Today I'm working on a 2012 Mini Cooper Countryman, just replacing the oil filter housing assembly. Just talking about how you do it. It's a pretty big job. You have to remove the catalytic converter. Do most of it from the bottom. You can see the cat's normally right here, and there's a heat shield that goes over it. Well, it's all kind of tight in here, so what I like to do typically is take all the bolts for the heat shield off, and then leave it up there. And then take all the bolts for the catalytic converter off, and then sneak the cat out, and then you can pull the heat shield out afterwards. Once you have that out of the way, you can pretty easily see that the oil filter housing is just right here. You just pull a couple hoses off, little hoses for the auxiliary water pump right here, the oil return right here to the turbo, and then you just use an 8mm socket to pull the other. I think there's 4 bolts altogether. So this is what the new one looks like, just like this. It goes in like this. It's pretty good sized job, and you do a lot of it from underneath, so I don't really recommend people doing this at home. This is a lot easier to do on a hoist, but that's it. Thanks for watching.